I know I'm fully attracted. I'm hanging on like a fridge to a magnet. We're just a couple of burning matches. A good time is the best bad habit. I bought a toothpicks and fancy cheeses. Outlaws for all the good reasons. A jigsaw with all the right pieces. You and me, we go good together. You and I go good together. You and I, we go good together. We go so good together. Anywhere we go, we go good together.
Mahal ko. Ma. Ito na talaga. Salamat at hinayaan mo akong samahan ka simula noon hanggang ngayon. Looking back on our 12-year journey, I couldn't be more proud of this relationship. I can now say we made it. We saw each other on our worst and chose to stay until we reach the best. You embrace my flaws and celebrate my strengths, always encouraging me to grow while reminding me that I am enough just as I am.
You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do.
Kakilala kami sa isang bar lang naman, sa isang restaurant. Bumili kami that time. Nakilala lang nun sa amin sa mga common friends lang. Ayun, nagpakit sa akin. Naging kami. Marupok ako eh. Di nagtagal, nabuntis siya. Nagsama kami. Pero minsan, dun siya sa bahay nila, minsan sa bahay naman namin. Di pa kami ganun katagal, naging mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, nung nabuntis siya. Kaya feeling ko, iniisip niya, di ko siya pananagutan. Ako naman, di ko alam kung bakit pinanagutan ko siya kasi that time, pwede ko naman siyang takbuhan pero ewan ko ba, napakagaan kasi ng loob ko sa kanya. At basta pagmamahal lang yun nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Kaya siguro talagang nag-stay ako.
This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union we will move mountains, we will live.
Marami nagsasabi sa akin na napakaswerte daw ng asawa ko kasi napakasipag ko daw yun. At panay daw kung anong negosyo at sideline pinapasok ko. Lagi ko naman sagot sa kanila, maswerte ako kasi di ako magkakaroon ng direksyon. Kundi dahil sa pagtitiyaga ng asawa ko at kundi rin dahil sa guidance ng magulang ko at ng pamilya ko, pati na rin sa provision ni God.
I wish you good luck and good health. Of course, expecting that the blessing of the Lord will always be with you and your family.
riding on the clouds every day.
I couldn't be more proud of how good and responsible husband you become. Thank you for providing a home full of love and growth. You are our everything.
You. Look into my eyes, dear.
Pangako ko na lahat gagawin ko para sa inyo at lahat at kakayanin para maging maayos ang buhay ko at mamahalin ko kayo ng mga bata nang higit pa sa buhay ko. Sobrang thankful ako kay God dahil ibinigay kanya sa buhay ko. Siguro kung hindi kanya binigay, baka dakilang tambay pa rin ako. I love you, Mary Ann. Babe, mahal ko. Baby ko. Maraming salamat at araw-araw pa tayo magbabaliwan. Haha.
I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts.
I promise to be with you in the biggest and littlest happiness of your life.
For the rest of
I promise to celebrate life with you,
with all
to brave the winds with you, and I promise to stand by your side through ups and downs.
and I
Pangako,
will.
sa bawat merong ikaw, asahan mo merong ako.
Is falling.
I vow to love you under any circumstances, happy or sad, may topak o wala.
Every day,
Kahit sa panahong pareho tayong di ka mahal-mahal, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
every
I love you. Forever na to.
I choose